Back to the ball game. Ball possession, Barangay Salapan.
Steal. No. Tayamora. Tayamora, kick out. Puerito 4-3. No good. Rebound, makakuha ni Alex De La Cruz. Up and under, no good. Rebound. Uy, last touch. Wala rito ng Corazon. Tayamora 4-3, wala. Rebound. Oh, and again. De Los Santos. Steal by Jordan. Pass to Santos. Santos at the post. Drive. Basket is good. 50-61. Babasa. 11 ang kalamangan ng Barangay Salapan. Number 1. Pass to Manalo. Back to Gallardo. Pull up J. Wala. Uy. Makaka-recover. Kenneth Hesse. Drive. Uy. Wala tawag. Bigay sa corner. Alex De La Cruz. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Perito. Out that pass. Tayamora. Pass to Galimba. Wala. Rebound. Makakuha ni Alex. Uy, there's a foul by Coach Dondon Perito.
Drawing foul number 25, Perito. First personal foul. First team foul.
Bola rito ng Barangay Salapan. De Los Santos, Kenneth. De Los Santos. Messi. Drive, gets a contact, may foul. That's a foul, number 22.
Second personal foul number 22.
Manalo, pass to Kenneth. De Los Santos. Pass to Gallardo, to De La Cruz.
6 seconds.
6-second shot, up to shoot. De La Cruz, 4-3, in and out. Rebound by Galimba. Galimba, atake. Paso Santos, basket. Time out, Barangay Salapan. Official score, 52-61. Babasa 9 ang kalamangan ng Barangay Salapan. Tingnan natin ang adel ng Barangay Salapan. Time remaining 7 minutes and 34 seconds.
To the ball game.
Sadya yung mga nanonood, pre.
Ha? Hindi ko kita eh. Wala akong ano. Wala akong bakapong. Eh, nakikiram lang ako. Still.
Single 9 seconds.
Gallardo. Alex for 3, no good. Rebound by Teruel. Outlet pass, Galimba all the way. 61 in favor of Barangay Salapan.
First foul number 1. Second personal foul. Substitution. First team foul.
Jordan Acebo. Pass to Coach Dondon. Pass to Acebo. Back to Jordan. Top of the key for 3. No good. Rebound. Santos miss. Another rebound. Gets the foul.
Foul number 9. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Good. Second shot. Wala. Rebound by Coach Dondon. At the post, Santos. Nasugalimba to Acebo. By Jordan Acebo. 61, 56. De La Cruz, Alex, 4-3, short. Rebound by Jordan. Pass to Perito. Dondon, oh, steal, almost.
Out of bounds.
Time remaining 6 minutes and 7 seconds. Bola na ang Corazon. Perito, catch and shoot. Wala. Rebound by De La Cruz. De La Cruz, derecho. Uy! Good defense para kay Jordan Acebo. Ayun na, out the pass. Uy! Santos. 58 to 61. Kenneth, pass to Ano. Corpus for 3, in and out. Rebound by Santos. Pass to Perito to Jordan. Cross-court pass. Teruel at the drive. Wala. Rebound by Gallardo. But there's a foul. Number 15.
Foul number 15. Galimba. First personal foul. Substitution.
Ayun na. Pabas sa tatlo. Ang kalamangan. 58-61. De La Cruz, libre sa 3. Wala. Rebound by Santos. Pass to Perito. Perito dire-derecho. Perito drive. Gets the contact. May foul ang tinawag. Wait.
Foul number 22. Number 22. Third. Personal foul. Substitution. Third team foul.
Both teams have third team foul. Bacho. Paso Perito. Top of the key for 3. Yes, sir. Para sa 3 by Coach Dondon. Perito. Tabla tayo sa 61. De Los Santos. Pass to Ano. Corpus. Didiskarte. Corpus. Wow, what a nice move. By Ano, Corpus. Balik ang kalamangan sa Salapan. Perito for 3. No good. Rebound by Ano. Ayan na si Ano. Nagmamadali. Corpus for 3. In and out. Rebound by Bacho. Ayamora to Perito. Bounce pass. Galimba. Drop pass. Uy. There's a foul. Wait lang. Time remaining 4 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Same ball tayo. Perito, bounce pass. Galimba gets the foul.
Foul number 4. First personal foul. Fourth team foul.
Shooting the line, jersey number 15, Galimba. First shot is good. 4 minutes and 8 seconds remaining para sa ating third period. Daryl Galimba, the former MVP. Galimba, miss, rebound, makukuha, Perito, and there's a foul by Alex De La Cruz.
Foul number 4. Second personal foul. Penalty.
There's a foul by Alex De La Cruz. Penalty. Barangay Salapan under penalty situation. Perito shooting the line for 2 points. First shot, miss. You know. Second shot para kay Coach Dondon. Perito, basket. Tabla tayo sa 63.
Substitution.
63 all. Kaya lang, bayos na lang po mamaya. Kenneth, di diskarte. Kenneth at the post, Manalo. Tumira, wala. Rebound. Bola rito ni Kevin Dimaporo. Setting on the play. Dimaporo. Pass to Bacho. Uy, steal by De La Cruz. Pass to Manalo. Back to Corpus. Corpus, di diskarte. Pass to Kenneth. To Alex. Alex, di diskarte. Binigay kay Ano. Ano, tumira sa 3. Wala. Rebound by Tayamora. Tayamora to Galimba. Daryl, stop and pop. Short, rebound by Manalo. Steal by Kevin. Steal by Alex. De La Cruz. De La Cruz, Ceci. Oh. Reverse layup. Basket. For jersey number 20. Teres Kenneth de Los Santos. Timeout muna rito ang Barangay Corazon. 65 to 63. Alright, back to the ball game. 2 minutes and 55 seconds remaining. 65-63. Kevin Dimaporo, mayatangan ng bola. Dimaporo, pass to Kenneth. Oh, sorry, Tayamora, binigay sa loob. Teruel, basket para kay Budoy. Teruel. 65 all. De Los Santos. 4-3 is in and out. Rebound by Santos. Pass to Kevin. Kevin, alley-oop. Teruel, recover. Pass to Kevin. Kevin, binigay sa corner. Galimba, 4-3. Short. Santos with a putback. Last 2 minutes para sa ating third quarter. 6-7. 65-67. Kenneth, may tangan ng bola. Idipensahan ni Kevin. Kenneth, kick out. Alex from elbow 3. Wala. Rebound by Galimba. Outlet pass. Tayamora. Bounce pass. Teruel. Block by Alex De La Cruz. Ayan na! Kenneth, nagmamadali. Kenneth waiting for his teammate. Pass to Corpus. Corpus. Ayan na. Binigay kay Manalo. Manalo binigay. Alex, fake. Alex, sidestep. Ooh! That's a trouble. Kitang-kita yun ng ating official referee. Time remaining 1 minute and 11 seconds. Bola ng Corazon. Kevin. Pass to Santos. Oh, steal by Manalo. Corpus will recover. Corpus tumira sa tres. Wala. Rebound by Santos. Pass to Kevin. Kevin. Behind the back. Pass to Tayamora. Tayamora. Bounce pass. Galimba and one. Uy. Correction. That's a trouble. Sub. No. De Los Santos for three. 68-67. Change favor. Lamang ang Barangay Salapan. Last 25 seconds. Tayamora, babawi sa tres. In and out. Rebound by Manalo. Pass to Kenneth. Kenneth. Atake, spin, drive, reverse layup. Gets the foul.
Foul number 29, Di Matoro. First personal foul. First, team foul, substitution.
Substitution. Last 10 seconds remaining. On shooting the line, jersey number 22. That's Kenneth De Los Santos. Basket for Kenneth. Second shot for Kenneth. Basket. 70-67. Last 10 seconds. 10, 9, 7. Kevin. Cross-court pass. Teruel. Wala. Rebound by Alex. End of the third quarter. Official score. 70-67 in favor of Barangay Salapan. Alright. Fourth quarter tayo. Lamang ito to, Barangay Salapan. Back to the ball game. (70-67), fourth quarter. Byron, reverse layup for a reverse shot para kay Daryl Galimba. Baba sa isang kalamangan ng Barangay Salapan. Dito na tayo magkakaalaman sa fourth quarter. Corpus, stop and pump. Whoa! 3! For Corpus. Ano? 73-69. 4-point lead para sa Barangay Salapan. Perito. Pass to Putoy. Tayamora, running shot. In and out. Rebound by Corpus. Corpus. Bounce pass. Oh, offensive foul.
Offensive foul number 13. First personal foul. First team foul.
Pass to Byron. Pass to Perito. To Tayamora from the corner three. Yes, sir! For Tayamora. 72-73. 4-3. There's a foul.
Foul number 22. Number 22. Third personal foul. Third personal foul. One time out, ha?
First shot is good by number 25. 8 minutes and 33 seconds remaining. Second shot, basket. Nakakadalawa na sa free throw. Last one para kay number 25 for a 3-point play. Ayan na, 3 for 3. 76-72. Perito. Paso Galimba. High post. Back to Perito. Perito for 3. No good. Rebound. Galimba gets the foul.
Foul number 13. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Cellphone lang, cellphone. Meron mo cellphone ba? Thank you. Basket. Get a shot, short. Rebound by Galimba. Outlet pass. Steal. Tayamora gets the foul.
Blocking foul number 25, Swan. First personal foul. Third team foul.
Galimba and one.
Basket count. Foul number 12, Manalo. Third personal foul. Bonus shot, Galimba.
Bonus shot for Galimba for a 3-point play. Galimba change favor. Balik ang kalamangan sa Barangay Corazon de Jesus. 77-76. De La Cruz. Number 15. Oh, steal by Santos. Santos nagmamadali. Santos, what a extra pass. Galimba all the way. Uy. Time out, Barangay Salapan. Provisional score 79-76 in favor of Barangay Corazon de Jesus. Tingnan natin, huddle ng Barangay Salapan.
Back to the ball game.
mas ano, malalaglag. Oo. Okay.
Monitoring mo lang yan.
Oo. Darap ko lang sa kanya. Alright, back to the ball game. 7 minutes and 25 seconds remaining para sa ating fourth quarter. Bola rito ng Barangay Salapan. Manalo at the post. Manalo, kick out. Gallardo to Alex for 3. Wala, rebound by Perito. Perito, pass to Webb. Catch and shoot, no good. Rebound. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng Barangay Salapan. Pass to Manalo. Manalo. Pass to number 1. Gallardo. Gallardo atake, sidestep, block. Out of bounds. Same ball. Last 7 seconds to shoot. Manalo basket. 79-78, baba sa isang kalamangan ng Barangay Corazon. Perito, pass to Santos, back to Perito. To Galimba for 3, no good. Rebound, steal by Byron. Drop pass, Galimba. What an extra pass by Santos. 81-78. Number 1. Gallardo setting on the screen. Pass to Alex. Alex didiskarte. Tumira sa 3. Wala. Out of bounds. Bacho coming in for Daryl Galimba. Perito didiskarte. Setting on the play. Perito. Pass to Bacho. Bacho, one-hand shot. Basket is good. Ayan na, naka-isolation play. Si Corpus. Babawi sa 3. Gallardo for 3. Wala. Rebound by De La Cruz. Pass to Manalo. Back to De La Cruz. Alex, binigay sa loob. Manalo. Drive and 1. Basket count and 1 for Manalo.
Third personal foul.
Right nun. Bonus shot for Manalo. Oh, steal. Gallardo for 3. Oh! Oh my goodness! Tabla tayo sa tatlo. 83 all. Less than 5 minutes tayo. Byron. Pass to Bacho. Bacho drive. No good.
Stop.
Substitution.
Salapan basketball. Corpus. Pass to Alex. Top of the key for 3. No good. Rebound by number 1. Pass to Corpus for 3. Wala. Rebound. Makuha ni Perito. Perito nagpapadali. 3 against 3. Ball pass. Steal by Gallardo. Steal by Santos. Wala na steal. Uy. There's a foul. by number 22.
Foul number 22. Number 32, third personal foul. Substitution.
Foul number 22, that's fourth personal foul. Warning for graduate. Last 4 minutes left. De La Cruz may tangan ng bola. De La Cruz di diskarte. De La Cruz 4-3. Oh! My goodness. Rebound para kay De La Cruz. 86-83. Balik ang Kalamangan sa barangay, sa Lapan. Santos using the board. Basket. Baba sa isa ang Kalamangan ng barangay sa Lapan. 86-85. 3 minutes and 26 seconds. De La Cruz na naman may tanga ng bola. Setting on the play. De La Cruz. Tumira sa 3. Wala. There's a foul.
Wala na second. Wala na second motion. Wala na. May tawag na.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 7 seconds. Official timeout muna tayo.
Out of the playing court!
Wala niya.
Technical foul number 1. For unsportsmanlike foul.
Technical number 1 for a
Third
sportsmanlike
personal
foul.
foul. Technical foul number 32, Tayamora. For second motion, Tayamora. Graduate. Coach, graduate na si Tayamora.
Technical.
Panggi mo na
Good, tapos
Counted as personal foul yung technical. So, graduate na po.
Ay, drop pa tayo mag ba? Pag pumasok tayo mag-to ka. Pag pumasok lang, pag pumasok.
copy coach.
Yellow ball! Di ba mag-technical? Technical ba? Dalawang technical, so walang foul player. Hindi, ano?
Walang answer.
Ngayon, technical tayo. Like yung bola, walang nakakikip. Outside!
One possession sa laban. Coach Bukoy, dalawa pa tayo mag-play.
Manalo. Alright, back to ball game na tayo. Binigay, Manalo, pull up, wala. Rebound. Oh! De La Cruz. 88-85. Ayun na. Kalimba gets a foul.
Di ba nga ako sinabi?
Foul number 11. Second personal foul.
Kalimba shooting for two. Basket.
Pag kanila ko yan, pwede naman kasi yung pasok eh. Kahit ako mo, pasok yun eh, kung hindi pasok sana.
Oy, meron dyan! Oy, meron!
Second shot. Kalimba miss. Rebound by Perito. Gets a foul. Penalty. Both teams under penalty situation.
Foul number 4 De La Cruz. Third personal foul. Penalty. One on number 25 for delaying the game. Perito.
First shot is good. Crucial free throw para kay Coach Don Perito. 87-88. Second shot. Basket. Tabla tayo sa 88. Time remaining 2 minutes and 18 seconds para sa ating fourth and last period. Ayan na, bola ng Salapan. Pass to De La Cruz. Alex De La Cruz, pass to Corpus. Corpus, didiskarte. Corpus, Hesi. Drop pass, steal! Oh! Out of bounds.
Substitution.
Possession, bola rin sa kapita.
Reset, tama, reset, 14 seconds.
14 seconds to shoot. Ayun na, sino tatanggap? Si Kenneth. De Los Santos, Hesi. Pass to Alex. Alex to Kenneth. Kenneth behind the back. Kenneth drive, tumira. Wala. Rebound by Kenneth. Pass to Manalo. Short. Rebound by number 22. Wala. Rebound. Gets the three. Basket. Corpus.
Tumama.
Wow. That's a three. 3-point para kay Corpus. 91-88. What a dagger para kay Corpus. Time remaining 1 minute and 35 seconds.
Salapan, may isa pa kayong timeout.
1 minute and 35 seconds remaining. Less than 2 minutes na lamang po para sa laban natin ito. Santos. Pass to Perito. Byron. Back to Perito. Pass to Byron. Quick. Byron. Stop and pump. Short. Byron using the glass and score. 91-90. Ay na. Nagmamadali. Gallardo. Waiting for his teammate. 91-90. Pass to Corpus. Corpus setting on the play. Corpus. Ayan na, bumobelo. Tumira sa tres. Wala. Rebound by Santos. Outlet pass. Teruel. Back to Byron. Back to Maliba. Out of bounds. Last 52 seconds remaining. 90, 91. Basket timeout. Pagmasok na, pagmasok. 52 seconds remaining. Gallardo. Pass to Alex. De La Cruz. 40 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. De La Cruz. Hesi. Tumira sa tres. Wala. Rebound by Teruel. Pass to Galimba. Galimba nagmamadali. Pull-up jumper. Wala. Rebound by Alex. Ay na. Uy. Marpas. Tama. Time out. Barangay Corazon de Jesus. And a basket there para sa Barangay Salapal. 93-90. Wow. Last 20 seconds. Last timeout para sa Barangay Salapal Corazon. 93-90. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng Barangay Corazon for this last timeout.
14 seconds. 14. 20 seconds. Remaining time. Basket time.
Meron pa pong alright, back to the ball game. Last 20 seconds. 93-90. Byron Webb. Pass to Perito. Pass to Galimba for 3. Wala. Rebound by Alex. And there's a foul.
Foul number 10.
Oh my.
Second personal foul. Penalty. Remaining time, 10 seconds.
De La Cruz, crucial free throw. Last 10 seconds remaining. 10.8 seconds na lamang po ang natitira. De La Cruz, crucial free throw. First shot, no good. Ayan na, hindi pa tapos ang laban. Missed the first basket. Second shot para kay De La Cruz sa free throw area. De La Cruz, basket yan. 94-90. Last 10 seconds. Galimba. Pass to Perito for 3. Wala. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Wow. Congratulations and nice game para sa Barangay Corazon. Alright, our final score, 94-90. Panalo po, Barangay Salapal.
Player of the game, number 4, Alex De La Cruz.
Ayan, congratulations. And our best player of the game, wala lang iba, kundi ang ating super rookie, the former MVP of juniors, Mr. Alex De La Cruz. Congratulations. Salamat po sa inyong manonood and God bless everyone. Kita-kita po tayo for our next live.